I was not going to make this video, but I had to share my recent realization with you. We've been overspending on fancy supplements when a simple gelatin trick can do the trick. My friend, who's super into wellness, was raving about this new expensive collagen powder, and I just couldn't help but think, haven't we been doing this the wrong way? I mean, Gelatin Trick is basically using gelatin to support our overall health, and it's something you can easily make at home with basic ingredients. Researchers say that gelatin can help nourish our skin, hair, and nails, and even support joint health, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. So I started incorporating the Gelatin Trick into my daily routine, and I've noticed a significant difference. My skin looks clearer, and I wake up feeling more refreshed. The Gelatin Trick is all about simplicity, and that's what I love about it. To learn more about how to make the Gelatin Trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough. If you have any questions, head to the pinned comment below, where I'll be sharing some tips and answering your queries, so be sure to check that out. Now, go ahead and give the Gelatin Trick a try. You won't regret it.